Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of investing. In this video, we'll break down the basics of what the stock market is and provide you with some essential tips on how to get started as a beginner investor. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. What is the stock market? All right, before we jump into the how-to, let's make sure we're all on the same page. The stock market is essentially a marketplace where you can buy and sell ownership in companies. These ownership units are known as stocks or shares, and they represent a piece of the company's overall value. The stock market serves as a platform for investors to trade these shares and potentially earn a profit as the company's value grows over time. Benefits of stock market investing. Now that we know what the stock market is, let's talk about why you might want to invest in it. Investing in stocks offers the potential for long-term wealth accumulation and financial growth. Historically, the stock market has shown to outperform many other investment options over the long run. It's a way to potentially grow your money faster than just leaving it in a savings account. How to invest in the stock market. Ready to get started? Here are some steps to consider as you venture into stock market investing. 1. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about different investment options, stock types, and basic market concepts. There are plenty of online resources, books, and courses available to help you get up to speed. 2. Set investment goals. Determine your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding a dream vacation. This will guide your investment strategy. 3. Build a diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to reduce risk. 4. Choose an investment platform. Select a reputable brokerage platform that suits your needs. Look for low fees, user-friendly interfaces, and research tools. 5. Start small. Begin with a small investment that you're comfortable with. You can always increase your investment as you become more confident. 6. Practice patience. Investing is a long-term game. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 7. Regularly monitor and rebalance. Keep an eye on your investments and adjust your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Of course, like any new endeavor, there are pitfalls to watch out for. Some common mistakes include 1. Chasing hot tips. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on rumors or tips from unreliable sources. 2. Ignoring research. Always do your own research before investing in a company. Don't rely solely on others' opinions. 3. Overtrading. Excessive buying and selling can lead to higher fees and taxes, eating into your returns. 4. Fearing market volatility. Market ups and downs are natural. Don't panic. Sell during downturns. Remember, it's a long-term gain, which is the best brokers for stock trading. There are several brokers like 1. Fidelity. Fidelity offers a user-friendly platform with a wide range of investment options and research tools. They have competitive pricing and a strong reputation for customer service. 2. Charles Schwab. Known for its robust research and educational resources, Charles Schwab offers a comprehensive trading platform with a variety of investment options. 3. Ameritrade. Ameritrade provides an advanced trading platform with a variety of research tools and a user-friendly interface. They also offer commission-free trading for many stocks and ETFs. 4. Trade. E-Trade is known for its powerful trading tools. and a user-friendly platform that's suitable for both beginners and more experienced traders. 5. Interactive brokers. If you're looking for advanced trading features and a wide range of investment options, interactive brokers might be a good choice. They offer competitive pricing, especially for active traders. 6. Friend Robinhood. Robinhood is popular among beginners due to its commission, free trading, and easy-to-use app. It's a good option for those just starting out in stock trading. 7. Webull. Webull offers commission, free trading, and a user-friendly platform with advanced charting tools, making it a great choice for traders who want technical analysis capabilities. 8. Vanguard. Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds and ETFs, making it an excellent choice for long-term investors who want to build a diversified portfolio. 9. Merrill Edge. Merrill Edge, the online platform of Bank of America, offers a seamless integration with your banking services and provides research tools for stock trading. Remember to consider factors such as trading fees, account minimums, available research tools, and ease of use when selecting a broker. It's important to choose a broker that aligns with your trading style and investment goals. And there you have it, a crash course in stock market investing for beginners. Remember, while investing in the stock market can offer great potential rewards, it also comes with risks. Make sure to do your due diligence, stay informed, and most importantly, be patient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and as always, feel free to leave your questions or comments below. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next video.